Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA continues to follow the overall trend today in the market, which is up. Actually quite good performance of ADA today. ADA now has a solid 5-wave move to the upside. I already highlighted previously or earlier today on Telegram Discord to the channel members that as long as we're holding the 34.6 cent level, we can focus here on higher and should get one more leg up, which we did. So we have now a solid 5-wave move to the upside, which increases always the risk for pullbacks. So what I'm going to do now, just gonna label this and zoom out a little bit first. Yeah. So we've got here a 5-wave move off the March low, the 15th of March low. And basically this 1-2 setup. Yeah. Yesterday we had this support area that worked out. We rallied now, gave another support area earlier today that worked out as well. And now the risk for a pullback increases because when you have 5 waves up, that's always when you need to be watching. That doesn't mean, I mean, we have seen it many times that these can always extend out a little bit higher. Don't think just because you have a 5-wave move, it will pull back definitely. Doesn't need to, but it's just then when we can start watching for it, right? So, yeah. That's sort of how I would envision it. And let's take a look at this subwave structure. We have wave 1 seems to be the shortest wave. And we have a shallow wave 2 here. A wave 3, which is quite strong. Yeah, let me actually double check the fib extensions. We might have reached the 1.618 extension. Yeah, nearly. Okay, just about missed it, but it's okay. But yeah, ideally you want that wave 3 to be a bit stronger, but that's fine. Shallow wave 4, which is fine as well. And this 5th wave here seems to be an extended one, which is what you often get in crypto, especially lately. Yeah, and you could argue maybe we had here, so 3, 4. Yeah, maybe a 1-2 setup. We might now be in the 3rd wave of the 5th. So that's where it gets a bit ambiguous, but I think we have to focus on higher as long as we're holding the last swing low at 35 cents. Also, you can add here a trend line to the chart, which connects basically, let me think. Well, it could be we had a running flat as well here, but let me see. Can we get that? Yeah, I think that's a fairly accurate trend line, cutting through a little bit here, but it should be fine. I just want to highlight this trend line in terms of, you know, when we break through this trend line, that might highlight the start of this wave 2. So until then, as long as we're holding above 35 cents for now, we have to focus here on higher until we get a bit more clarity about the structure here. What could be target for that 5th wave? Well, I can measure that by taking the length of waves 1 through 3. We go to the low of the 4th. We've now reached the 61.8 extension. That is one key target for such a 5th wave. So I wouldn't be surprised if it pulls back from here, but there is no sign it does at the moment. It's just green. So if we break through this level, next target would be 37.3 cents. You also have probably resistance here, the previous wave 1 high at 36.77. So watch that level as well. And yeah, I think this is sort of where we should be. Obviously, what you can never rule out is that we do a series of 1-2, 1-2 setups. Then this would be much more bullish. Can be, you know, I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, I did say it very, very clearly in the last few days. This could become a new alt season, yeah, because we are starting in the 3rd wave rally. I mean, I hope everybody got positioned because we had 3 trade setups, 3 long trade setups. We had the green area, the yellow and the orange one, all preparing us for a 3rd wave. So let's see what happens. I wouldn't be surprised to get that rally into the 40-cent range. But obviously condition is that we need to hold those swing lows that are highlighted. Okay, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.